Hello parents, today we are going to learn how to use the word what. We use the word what when we want to ask a question about a thing or we want to know something about someone. For example, what is this? What is your name? Let's play a game to learn how to ask questions using the word what. Look at the picture, listen carefully to each question, and try and answer these questions with your child. Make sure to discuss the answers, and it does not matter if your child answers the question correctly. What is this place? Do you recognize all these shops? What do you see in the picture? Yes, this is a market. Let's try to answer some questions about the market. Look at the picture and listen carefully. What dress is the mother wearing? What color is her sari? You're correct, her sari is pink. What is the mother doing? What is the boy pointing at? Yes, he is pointing at some baskets. What is this? This is a slipper. What is in this bag? What do you think is in the bag? What is she pointing at? She is pointing at shoes. What is in this basket? The basket has vegetables. Now, let us practice some more in English. Look at the picture, listen to the question, and try and answer with your child. Try to answer the question in a complete sentence. What is this? This is an ant. What is this? This is a pencil. What is this? This is a book. What is this? This is a door. What are these? These are trees. What are these? These are flowers. What are they doing? They are playing. Very good. Now you know how to ask questions with the word what. You can practice asking more questions with the word what by asking questions about objects at home. Point to different objects and ask your child, "What is this?" and encourage them to answer in a complete sentence.